how to turn off mention and tags notifications on TikTok. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you like and subscribe in this video. So let's start. First you will just go to TikTok, then open it, and after this, when your TikTok is opening, you will go here on your profile. You will go to the bottom, then go to this three line here, click on it, then go to settings and privacy. After this, on settings and privacy guys, go to notification, and then you will find mention and tags. Now you have to turn off this option by clicking here on this place and make it look like this on gray color. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.